Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how you can manipulate facial features manually within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, but a very common thing that you'll probably be doing a lot through your graphic design career. And I want to show you the processes of how to do that. Now, I have this very beautiful lady in front of me here. What I want to do now is start manipulating her facial features. So with the layer, I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And what I want to do is make this into a smart object, because what we were doing is applying a smart filter. So it's very wise that we can then go back and edit and change the filter, whatever, if we need to. So if you just simply right click on that layer, you have the option to convert to smart objects. Okay, so the filter that we need to apply, so we have to go to filter, will be liquefy here. The reason why I call it liquefy is because basically Photoshop turns it into a liquid, which we can then move and manipulate and change. Now, Photoshop is clever enough to understand that this now is a face. So if you come here to this tool on the left-hand side, your face tool, what you can do now is just hover over and start to manipulate these features yourself, like so. May come through. And what should we do with these eyes? Make them probably a little bit bigger now. Let's say, like that. Maybe bring the nose up a tad. There we go. Bring that in there a little bit, let's say. Yeah, and now say I'm happy. Okay, so now if we press OK, you can see the difference, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, please take a look at recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis. Some really cool stuff on there that you can take and create some amazing effects. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.